Good news! We're giving out $2,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money to 20 new subscribers. That's $200 each as a celebration gift from our new channel. Now, here are the 4 steps to enter. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Third, hit the notification bell. And lastly, leave a nice comment below. And now, back to the video.
Grab your smartphone, turn it on, and play the 30-second video and you can start earning money right away. You can get up to $4 for watching one video and $400 for watching up to 100 videos per day. That is completely amazing. But don't worry, this is very simple for newbies who have never earned money online before. The good news is that this is accessible globally in all countries around the world and is 100% free. I'll walk you through the sign-up process and the videos you should watch to earn the most money. Additionally, I'll share some special information with you that will enable you to triple your current income. Therefore, be sure to pay attention and finish watching this video. So let's get started. I want you to watch this video, which is 4-minute clip. In addition, you can watch a ton of other videos on this newly introduced website on your smartphone or computer. I want you to pay close attention and not miss any important information. So first, I want you to go to this website, ggtu.org, which is completely free and where you can sign up right away. Of course, you can start earning money by just completing surveys, playing games, or even watching videos. But today, we're going to concentrate on watching videos to earn money, because it's one of the simplest and easiest that anyone can do without any prior experience. The best part about this website is that you can get $1 for free by simply creating a free account, and they'll give you $1 in bonus right away. The only thing you need to do is enter your first name, email address, username, and password. After that, click the down arrow. You can make money online with this worldwide opportunity. Whether you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, the Philippines, Pakistan, or any other country in the world. After entering all of your information, click this button right here to accept the terms and conditions, and click the orange sign up button. You can earn a free $1 by simply creating a free account here. Another reason why I love this website is that there are so many ways to get paid. You can get paid every single day via PayPal, receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, or earn gift cards as well. Don't worry if you're from one of the nations where you don't have a PayPal account, you can still receive your money via Skrill, Paytm, GCash, bank transfer, or any other method of payment. This website offers many opportunities for you to watch various online videos and earn money. In contrast to other websites, which is typically offer you around 40% to 60%. This website offers a very high rate of 65% to 85%. So this is going to be a very good opportunity that I want to share with you. Once you completed the website sign-up process, we can see the Welcome to GG2U here. They are a very high-paying source for survey routers and also OfferWall, where you can also watch videos while receiving up to a 65% or even 85% payout rate, with $1 given out of every 100 coins. Furthermore, you can start withdrawing your money after you hit $7, which is equivalent to earning 700 coins. So moving on to the following page, you may begin making money right away by clicking the orange Click to Continue button here. Once you've done so, you'll see the text to get started earning. Here are some things that are very easy to do. Just keep in mind that 100 coins are equal to $1. So if you want to earn money by simply watching videos, there are a ton of offers you can do on this website. Of course, you could complete them all. However, our focus is on watching videos. So as you scroll down to the bottom of the website, you will see the following important information. Note that some of these offers are available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. If you want to earn extra money, you must go on and complete these offers. And you can earn an additional $5 for these offers as well. However, if you just want to earn money by watching videos, you can scroll to the bottom of this webpage and click the I am done with this page button. After doing so, your account will then appear. Now you can see my dashboard on the GG2U website here. So after I sign up for a free account, they just give me $1 for free. Then once I get another $6 and it reaches $7 and I can start cashing out that money. However, keep in mind that you must earn at least $7 to cash out your earnings. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So returning to the video, as you can see when I scroll down below, there are plenty companies and offers that I can join in with, such as OfferToro, a very well-known brand, AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, and AdGem. These are very well-known businesses that provide you with some interesting offers you can take advantage of to start earning money, such as completing surveys, downloading applications, watching videos, and so on. You can simply click on any of these companies to use all of these offers and begin earning money. I'd like to provide you another example. To achieve this, click this AdSense Media button, which will take you to the company's official website, where you can complete further offers to make money online. There are numerous opportunities to earn money on one website, like completing surveys, free trials, and downloading mobile applications. Now, if you want to start earning money by simply watching videos, just click on this autoplay videos button. For every 200 video points you can get, you'll receive a silver token, which will increase your account balance by $1 to $3. When you scroll down below, you can see here, earn video points by simply completing any of these videos. You can watch videos to get money online by watching videos about food, viral videos, or chillax videos. You can even watch these different channels. For example, by scrolling down below, when you click the Load More Offers button, unlimited videos will be available for you to watch and continue earning money. Right now, I want to give one of these ideas as an illustration. For example, if you click on this Hideout TV Chillax and click on this orange icon here, you'll be taken to a page where you may begin watching videos and earning money online. For instance, by watching videos like this one, which is 4 minutes and 21 seconds long, you may make between $2 and $5 for every video. And as I promised, I'll show you a couple of additional bonus tips that can help you earn 3 times as much as money as the average person. So now, when you click on the gear settings button here, I want you to select the lower setting, which is 240p. The reason I want you to do this, that whether you're watching on your phone or your computer, the best thing you can do to maximize your earnings and make the most money is to click on multiple videos and multiple channels and watch them all at once. They can increase your income by 3 or even 5 times, but they also use up a lot of our internet speed and your data. So it would be wise for you to select the lowest setting here. So this is going to be the first and most important thing I want to share with you. It is a smart move for you to select the lowest setting because they all at once use a lot of data and our internet speed. This is the first thing and most important piece of advice I want to give you. Moving on, I want to give you the second tip. When you look at the viral videos channel up next, parked on the right, you may select one and watch many other videos. And this is where you can earn more money, up to $3 or $5 per video. Make sure to watch the videos all the way through from the first 0 second to the last 4 minutes so they can receive the point and turn the point into real money. Now that we have covered anything you need to know, let me give you one more bonus tip. If you click on the arrow button here, you may view even more videos like this one called the Hat Challenge Intense. This one here allows you to view videos 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Every single one of these videos has an additional 7 videos available when you click the arrow button. You could watch all the videos to make extra money online, starting with video number 1 and continuing up to video number 7. And of course, you could watch them on an iPhone or an Android smartphone. In any case, you can still use any device to earn money with this opportunity for absolutely free. Once you've finished watching these 7 bonus films, just go ahead and click on this next button right here to see that there are 9 additional videos that you can watch. This is an excellent method for you to keep watching videos over and over again, and you can make money online. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.